Okay, so now that we have built your membership site and set up the drip content, let's talk about getting paid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up subscriptions and handle payment processing for your membership site in Go High Level. Ready to get those recurring payments rolling in? Let's go. So subscription modules. What are the different subscription options that you can have? Or broadly, we have. So monthly subscriptions, quarterly subscriptions, yearly subscriptions, and then you can also have a one-time payment that gives the users lifetime access. Let's talk about each one of them in a bit more details. Monthly subscriptions are the ones where you get regular monthly payments for ongoing access to your membership site. Quarterly subscriptions where you make payments every 3 months, potentially offering a slight discount compared to monthly. And then you have yearly subscription, annual payments often at a discounted rate to encourage long-term commitment. And then you have the lifetime access option for members who prefer a single upfront payment. So these are the different types of subscriptions. You can set this subscriptions in Go High Level by accessing, not exactly these, but creating the products, setting up the pricing, which we will be looking at in more details in the next video. Payment processing options, like you can connect Stripe, PayPal, and others. You can handle recurring payments, you can send payment reminders, you can process payments, and you can update member access. You can do all of it right there in your Go High Level dashboard. Managing failed payments, automated retries, notification system, grace period, and then the support channel. Let's talk about offering discounts and promotions here. A new member discount, offer a discount for first time subscribers, attracts new members. Loyalty rewards, provide discounts for long term members, encourages retention. Seasonal promotions, where you give special offers during holidays or events. This boosts subscriptions during specific periods. And then the last one is a referral program, discounts for members who refer others. Grows membership through the word of mouth. So that's in total about subscriptions and how you can get paid using subscription. You also get an option to analyze the subscription data, the subscription growth, the churn rate, and the revenue metrics. All of this right inside of Go High Level. Some of the best practices for subscription management could be transparent pricing, where you ensure all subscription terms and prices are clearly communicated to the member, so that it does not come as a surprise that, okay, I was not aware of this or I was not aware of that, and that would result in chargebacks and an unhappy customer. Flexible options offer multiple subscription tiers to cater to different member needs and budgets. Easy cancellation, provide a straightforward process for members to cancel or pause their subscription. And regular updates, continuously update and improve your membership content, so that creates a lot of value for your subscribers. So if you keep these best practices in your mind when you are creating subscriptions, it's going to gotta be a hit. And that's all that's there to know about subscriptions. We'll learn how to set up these subscriptions, set up a subscription product, and more in the next couple of sessions. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.